The following video is an ACRA 1440. We're going to show the overall condition of the machine, and then we're going to push up on the spindle as the customer requested to check the bearing slop. I'm going to show you how we set the indicator. We left the chuck on it, but what we did was we put the indicator on the spindle, outside of the spindle. Chris is going to use this 8-foot 2x4. Place it under the chuck. All right, hold on. All right, push down. Go ahead.
Down. Setting up, pushing down. Yep, pushing down.
Very slight deflection on the needle, but that's with an 8-foot 2x4. All right, thank you, Chris. We're going to show them the overall condition of the machine right now. Here is the way. Do you have a rag? Can you grab me a rag really quick right there? Smooth and clean. Same over here, smooth and clean. This is the paint wear underneath the chuck area. Very little. You can even see the splatter in the background. Even if you look closely, it's still got Cosmoline from the factory. That brown looking stuff is original Cosmoline from the manufacturer. That's Cosmoline. Brand new steady, tool post. Compound, your cross, your carriage. I don't believe the steady rest has ever been used. That looks new. Follow rest looks like it has been used, very little. Lubrication. That's a powered pump, so when you turn it on, the pump will lube. That is for your bedways, for your lube pump. That works. See it come out on your ways. The other sight glass down here, that's for your feed box there. Overall, the machine is in very nice condition. Just keep this in mind too, because it has the constant surface speed. When you turn the machine on, the DRO has to be on prior to you turn the machine on.